Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of a machine or computer system to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. These tasks can include things like decision-making, problem-solving, learning, and even understanding language. AI is not quite like the way humans think. While humans learn from their experiences, AI systems learn from large amounts of data. By analyzing patterns in this data, AI can make decisions, recognize objects, or even predict future events. There are two main types of AI. The first is called narrow AI. This is AI that's designed to perform one specific task really well. Examples include facial recognition software, voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, and recommendation systems, like the ones used by Netflix and Amazon. Narrow AI is what we use every day, and it's already embedded in many of the technologies around us. Then there's general AI, which is still in the future. General AI is capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can do. Imagine a robot that can not only play chess but also cook dinner, give a speech, or understand emotions. While we don't have general AI yet, researchers are working hard to make it a reality. So, how does AI actually work? It all begins with data, lots and lots of data. This data can be anything from numbers, text, images, or even sounds. AI systems process this data using algorithms, essentially step-by-step instructions to find patterns and make decisions. The more data the AI system has, the smarter it becomes. AI is already all around us. Self-driving cars use AI to understand their surroundings and navigate safely. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa use AI to understand your commands and provide answers. Online shopping sites use AI to recommend products based on your preferences. But why should you care about AI? Because it's shaping the future. AI has the potential to transform entire industries, from healthcare to education to entertainment. It can help doctors make better diagnoses, create personalized learning experiences, and even help solve global problems like climate change. AI is also capable of solving some of the world's biggest challenges. Whether it's improving healthcare outcomes or creating sustainable solutions for the planet, AI could be a key part of the future. And who knows? As AI advances, you might be the one who contributes to its next big breakthrough.